Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video I want to cover this coin that we have actually mentioned a few times on the channel. The ticker, the symbol is DGD. This is one of the coin that is backed by physical gold, and I have mentioned this on the videos before. A lot of the day traders and a lot of the active traders in crypto market have been using this coin as a hedging coin for quite a while now, but it's getting a lot of attention in last month or so. So actually I mentioned this coin to my email subscribers around 280-300 levels as a potential hedging coin, but not to go with a huge position. Obviously this coin really fluctuate based on how well the the BTC is doing, Bitcoin price is doing. So let's say if the Bitcoin is coming up against the resistance level, this coin tend to move up, and as soon as Bitcoin is coming to the support levels, or as soon as Bitcoin is starting to get some momentum, this coin is starting to take a step back. So basically you just want to have this as a hedge in the portfolio rather than or you can trade with this coin too. If you're an active trader, you can definitely trade with this coin as a short-term positions. But I would if you're not a very active trader, in my opinion, this is more of a hedging coin that you just want to have maybe 15% of your portfolio in this coin, especially when it pulls back. I wouldn't be chasing this coin into strength, because that every time it tend to run fast away, and then it just drops down when the BTC start going up. So I would wait until it comes to the decent support levels rather than chasing it up higher and higher. That being said, right now it's trading at 518, 514. I can see the fluctuation going up pretty rapidly in this coin. Again, that's because of a lot of day traders and a lot of active traders use this coin as a hedging. As I said, if the BTC is coming to a resistance, then they will jump into this coin instead of liquidating their position into USDT or just into fiat. They rather come into this this coin as a kind of a parking lot and just kind of stay in it for a while. So a little bit behind the coin. So it's backed by real gold, physical gold, and it's sitting in the locker. There is some audit thing that is going on. You can go to their website and read more about it. Look at the fundamentals. I mentioned that a few times on the previous videos. But this coin in last 90 days, it has gone up 344%. In last 3 months, it has gone up 344%, and in last 200 days, it has gone up 553%. So that's tremendous gain, and that's mainly due to a lot of people now finally getting out of that USDT tether trade. They don't feel comfortable, selling their position and holding USDT tether or into overnight trading, or into trading for a couple of days, because there's just so much unknowns with tether and in general, so that people are shying away from selling their position and getting into USDT. So what they found is this coin, which is pretty good in a sense, as a good investment. At the same time, it's a very good hedging coin, and I think it's a very must for a lot of the crypto portfolio, especially if you're not if you get it at the lower prices. I think it has gone up a little too much. I feel like it can go up to maybe 500, 600, but it will see some pullback, and I will be a buyer when it comes to that below around 400. 420 levels. So in one of the videos I created over the weekend, I told my subscribers that thing as well, that it will be a good buy around that 430, 420 levels, and that would be if people got into those levels. This is definitely sitting pretty rather nicely right now around 420. So how do you let's look at the monthly on this coin real quick. So monthly is like, it's a fairly new coin, so I would wait for a pullback. I really like this coin as a hedging coin in my portfolio, but I wouldn't be chasing down like at this price levels, just because you really want the excuse me, you want the trades to come to you rather than you chasing the trades. So be very mindful. There will be plenty of trades that you can make and make a lot of money on those things. So don't like feel like you're getting missing out something. Don't get into that FOMO, fear of missing out. There will be plenty of opportunities. The question is, are you going to have the decent portfolio or money in your portfolio to pull those triggers when the opportunity comes in front of you? So be careful into what trades you're getting in. Do your proper risk management, and as soon as you a lot of time it's kind of hard when you're just getting into investing to it's a very natural thing. That FOMO, fear of missing out, is a very natural thing, and especially to the newer investors who have heard it from their friends or from their coworkers that, hey, crypto is great, I got into crypto, I made 100% in 1 month. And every time they see something going up, and they feel like, oh my god, I need to get on it before it leaves, and before I'm left behind, everyone's going to get rich, and I will be the only one who is poor. It doesn't work like that. So don't get into, let the trade come to you. Make sure you're buying at the right levels and not buying into hype. There will be plenty of opportunities for you to make those trades. If not this trade, then someone else, but there will be plenty of opportunities. Okay. So right now I would wait a little bit. I can see this coin go up to 600, but there is not enough risk to reward right now for me, at least. There might be different for you, but for me it's not enough risk to reward right now for this. It can definitely go up to 700 levels. That was the all-time high. It can definitely touch that, but again, anything can happen. Anything that market wants to do, it will do. So you can play accordingly. I think this the 450 level is a good support, and if it comes to that 450, 430 levels, then it's a really good entry position, I think. All right, it's holding up pretty strong, holding up on 11 moving day average. So anything below that, there might be some sell-off that comes along, and will have the buying opportunity. The MACD is just about to turn. Those ticks are going in negative direction, so I don't know how long it will hold up at this level, unless we see a drastic decline. And I'm seeing the pullback in BTC right now, and it's not really helping push this thing higher even right now. So I would definitely wait on this. Nonetheless, it's a very good coin to have at the right level. Okay, so the circulating supply for this one is only 2 million. That is ridiculous. 2 million, that's all you can have, 2 million. So obviously that really reflects in the price too, that 500 is trading at 518 right now, but 500 200 million is nothing, and the market cap is coming at it's right at $1 billion right now. So $1 billion market cap is not bad. But again, this is only a hedging coin, only a coin that I would definitely want to keep in my portfolio, but only like certain amount. I wouldn't have like 50% of my portfolio in this coin, because it's fluctuated a lot based on on the BTC price. So I prefer this as a hedging coin, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so I know a lot of people were asking about this coin, so I wanted to make this video, and especially when we are seeing some pullback in BTC right now. While we're at it, let's just look at BTC real quick. So I see there's some pullback coming up, so there's going to be some support that is coming. It's going to be right around that 11,165 mark. So that's going to be the first line of support in BTC. Let's see if it can hold up. As I have said it before, bulls have a lot of things in their favor, but they really need to push it higher. Otherwise, you know, that this might create this double top for intermediate if we cannot hold on to this levels. So we need to make sure that bulls comes in full strength overnight and into into this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and make sure we, you know, push it up with like higher volume toward the 12,000 mark. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. I wanted to have this quick video on DGD, especially when we are seeing some weakness in BTC right now. And it's a good coin to get into at right levels. Okay, don't chase it. You know, you don't wanna chase it. You wanna make sure it really, you get in while it's in your favor, when you have, like, you know, better odds of making money. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. I post this content every day. If you think, and hit those notifications, those bell icons, so you get this content right away. As you know, we are like in constant moving market. Like, this is such a dynamic market. It trades 24/7. So something that was like relevant like an hour ago, it might not be relevant anymore. So that's why, you know, we have to, I mean, there's plenty of money that you can make in this market. The real question is do you have enough discipline? If you have, or you have enough, you know, willingness to learn and, like, you know, do the right things. So that's the real question. But there's plenty of money that you can make in this market. Okay. And if you think this is helpful with your trading, with your investing, then please give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.